Imagine a place where the earth and sky become one. A vast white desert that transforms after a rain into the largest mirror on our planet. This is Salar de Uyuni, so surreal and otherworldly it can feel like a dream. Here, the horizon vanishes completely. The clouds above are also the clouds beneath your feet. Profound silence and astonishing beauty. The scale makes you feel incredibly small yet deeply connected. One of Earth's great natural spectacles. High in the Andes Mountains of Bolivia. For most of the year, a blinding white expanse of salt crystals. Then the rainy season arrives, a thin layer of water covers the surface. Water atop an incredibly flat salt crust, creating a reflection so perfect it's hard to tell where land ends and sky begins. To stand here is to feel you're floating in an endless sky, drawing travelers and photographers from around the world. The immensity is difficult to comprehend. It is not a lake, nor a desert of sand, a prehistoric seabed, now bone-dry and thick with pure salt. Air thin and crisp at over 3,600 meters. Standing in the center, the world stretches out as a flat white plain, sculpted by time, by water, and by powerful planetary forces, a testament to geology's patient artistry. Light plays in extraordinary ways. At sunrise and sunset, the sky's fiery colors paint the ground. Pale pinks, deep oranges. Soft purples shimmer on the watery surface, a panoramic canvas of color. At night, another wonder appears. Clear, high-altitude air reveals the Milky Way, and with the mirror, you seem to walk among the stars suspended in the heart of the cosmos. The story of Salar de Uyuni begins long, long ago, in a time when the geography of this continent was very different. Tens of thousands of years in the past, this entire region was submerged beneath a gigantic prehistoric lake, known to geologists as Lake Minchin. It was a vast inland sea, fed by the surrounding mountain rivers. But the climate here is one of extremes, and over millennia, the lake began a slow process of evaporation, shrinking and expanding through cycles of wet and dry periods, leaving its mineral-rich legacy behind. As the Great Lake dried, it left behind a concentrated brine, thick with salts and other minerals that had washed down from the volcanic Andes. Over countless centuries, this process repeated itself. The sun would beat down, the water would disappear into the thin mountain air, and a new layer of salt crystals would form. This cycle of flooding and evaporation, over and over again, built up the salt crust that we see today. In some places, this crust is more than 10 meters thick, a solid, packed layer of crystallized history. The sheer size of this salt flat is staggering. It stretches across more than 10,000 square kilometers, making it the largest in the world by a considerable margin. It is so vast and so remarkably flat that it is visible from space, a brilliant white patch against the brown of the Altiplano. This incredible flatness is one of the reasons the mirror effect is so perfect. The variation in elevation across the entire salar is less than 1 meter, creating a surface smoother than almost any other natural feature on Earth. Beneath this hard white crust lies a treasure trove of minerals. The salty brine that is trapped below the surface is incredibly rich in lithium, a metal that has become crucial for the modern world. It is the key component in the rechargeable batteries that power our phones, our laptops, and our electric cars. Salar de Uyuni is more than just a beautiful place. It is a delicate and finely balanced system. The vast salt crust, the seasonal waters, the unique life it supports. The increasing global demand for lithium presents a significant challenge. Extracting lithium from the brine beneath the salt requires vast quantities of water, a scarce and precious resource in this arid region. There are real concerns that large-scale mining could alter the hydrology of the salt flat, potentially damaging the mirror effect and the fragile ecosystem. The responsibility for protecting this wonder falls to all of us. For the visitor, it means traveling with respect. It means choosing responsible tour operators who follow established routes to avoid damaging the salt crust and who properly dispose of all waste. It means listening to the local guides and honoring their connection to the land, not leaving footprints in sensitive areas, not disturbing the wildlife. The future of Salar de Uyuni lies in finding a careful balance. It is a balance between the economic opportunities that lithium mining could bring to Bolivia and the need to conserve one of the planet's most spectacular natural treasures. It requires careful planning, scientific study, and a deep commitment to sustainability. The challenge is to ensure that the pursuit of a modern resource does not lead to the loss of an ancient and irreplaceable wonder. In the end, this landscape is a powerful reminder of the Earth's capacity for creating beauty on an epic scale. It is a place of silence, of space, and of light, reflecting the brilliant blue sky, or a canopy of stars. Salar de Uyuni is a testament to the slow, grand processes of our world, a giant mirror that reflects not only the sky, but also our own relationship with the planet. It is a place to be wondered at, and a place to be protected. This desert turns into the largest mirror on Earth. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share.